world had ice.
Oh, Elsa, it's so beautiful.
That's how surprise.
We all keep the love of the season in our hearts all year long.
No boy happy lives. I mean, happy holidays.
Thanks for bringing in the season with us. For holiday hugs for everyone.
Friends and family, I hope you enjoyed the frozen holiday surprise, yeah? Spending the holidays together is so nice, like a sauna. Now go to enjoy the rest of your night and let it be merry and bright. Bye-bye.
ಬರೀ ಬ್ಲೂ ಇತ್ತು ಚಂದ
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಗಿಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು